Hi everyone, it's me Marietta. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a chocolate cake using only 6 ingredients. Come with me and we will get started.
Sweet fantasy in my mind, in my dreams. Sweet infatuation of fantasy in my mind, in my dreams. This is my fantasy in my mind and in my dreams. It's just a fantasy, just a wish for me. She's so fine, so nice. She's my paradise in my dream, day and night. She's my private fantasy in my mind. She's so sweet to me, my fantasy in my mind, in my dreams. She's my fantasy in my head, the way I dream my life could be. This is my sweet fantasy in my mind, in my dreams. Sweet infatuation of fantasy in my mind, in my dreams. This is my fantasy in my mind and in my dreams. It's just a fantasy, just a wish for me. She's so fine, so nice. She's my paradise in my dream, day and night. She's my private fantasy in my mind. She's so sweet to me, my fantasy in my mind, in my dreams.
That's it for today guys. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.